Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating a Euphoria look. So from the last episode this past weekend, first Super Bowl weekend, the only makeup look that I was really inspired to recreate was from Maddie's look that she had when she was babysitting, and it was kind of like, you know, a nice goldish like shimmer on the eye. It seemed like there was like a little bit of like a matte brown in the crease, and then like a nice sharp, long, thin winged liner with a little bit of like shimmer right in the front here. I thought the look was like super duper cute, yet simple, but striking at the same time. And we love Maddie, so I definitely wanted to recreate a look from her. But yeah, this is like the only like makeup look that I really was inspired to do. This episode I feel like didn't really have that much makeup going on, so I'm gonna recreate Maddie's look. But first I'm going to start out with Benefit's Boing Cakeless Concealer, and I have the color 6.5. I'm gonna go in with concealer because this look is very simple, and I don't think I need my Onesize base today because it's just really bright and there's not really much going on with the actual eye itself, so might as well use my concealer. Okay, now I have my base on. I'm gonna grab my NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm gonna use, if I can open it, I'm gonna use this shade right here. And like I said, at least for me in the episode, I couldn't really see too much detail of Maddie's makeup, so it's really, I'm just really going with the flow of what I think I saw, because I was like really trying to stare, and the next thing I know the scene would change, or I don't know, the shadows. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to just go with what I think I saw. But yeah, I feel like she did have some sort of brown shadow in her crease, so I'm going to take that color first, just soft, because it just seemed like a soft color. It didn't really seem too dark of a color, so I feel like this might be like the perfect brown. But I'm just going to take that color on a Morphe M513 brush, and I'm just gonna start right in the crease here. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit as well. I'm not gonna blend it super high just because in the episode it doesn't really look like she has it super high anyway, if she does have it at all. And then I'm also going to kind of extend it out this way. Next, I'm gonna add just a little more depth to the eye. So I'm gonna grab this like darker brown color. Using the same brush, I'm just going to focus this in the crease, blending it with that lighter color. And now I'm going to add shimmer. So I'm going to take this gold color right here. The gold that she had on looked kind of like a yellow gold, so I feel like this is like a decent match. I feel like I could find something even more yellow, but I think I'm just going to use this and put this like liquid shimmer on top. So I'm going to take that shimmer on a Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and I'm just going to apply it to my lid. I think I'm going to focus it kind of like on the center and then like blending it out. And I'm going to blend it up into these matte tones here. Next, I'm going to take this Moira Cosmetics Diamond Daze Liquid Shadow in the color Goldstar. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on top to kind of intensify the shimmer, but this also looks a little bit more like yellow gold, so I feel like it fits a little bit more with what Maddie was wearing. And I'm just gonna use the same brush and kind of like tap this on top. And now I'm going to take Freck's eyeliner Lashrocket. It's their new eyeliner. Haven't tried it before, so I'm really excited to use this one, and it's in black. And in this episode, she had kind of like a thin, really straight liner. Sometimes when she would look in certain positions, like it would look really straight. So I'm gonna try to mimic that as best as possible and not make it super thick. And now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe really quick to kind of like clean it up underneath. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my face before I finish my eyes. So for Maddie's look, her face didn't really look, I mean, it's like I said, it's hard to see. Like I can't see what blush color, like I don't know if I need to re-watch it or something, but I didn't really see a lot of detail, but I'm basically going to just do my own thing. So I'm gonna go in with About Face liquid highlighter in the color Illuminor, I think it's called, or maybe it's called Turkish Breakfast. But yeah, I'm gonna take this from About Face. I love About Face's packaging and their aesthetic is just so cute. And I'm gonna use this underneath my foundation just to kind of like get that glow. I'm gonna take this liquid highlighter all over my face. Next, I'm gonna take this Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. And I do like this tinted moisturizer as well. I've used it before, but I just haven't shown you guys on my channel. So I figured I'd show you guys a lot of different products that I haven't been using on my channel a lot, but I figured you guys might like to see. So I have the color Medium Tan, by the way, and I'm going to just apply this all over. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I have the color Beige, and I'm just going to apply this right in the front here. This is a really light color, but we're going to work with it, and I'm going to apply some right here as well. I'm going to apply some on my forehead a little bit, and I like to apply concealer a little bit right here and on my chin. Now I'm just going to blend this out. I'm also going to just kind of define my wing liner a little bit more with this concealer. And then just continue to blend this out. Next, I'm going to use some new cream bronzers. So these are the Milk Makeup Bionic bronzers, and I have the color Time Travel and the color Shapeshift as well, so I'm super excited to try these. So I'm going to go in with the lighter color that I have called Time Travel, and I'm just going to do it around my hairline, and I'm also going to put it right along my cheekbones here, along my nose. So this color is definitely more of a natural bronzer contour for me, but I'm gonna go in with this color Shapeshift just a little bit. These cream contours are very, very pretty. So now I'm gonna take Freck's Cheekslime in the color Orange Wine. I've really been loving Freck's liquid blushes as well as Rare Beauty's liquid blushes. So if you're looking for liquid blushes, I would say Freck or Rare Beauty are where it's at. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this onto the cheeks. Next, I'm gonna go in with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in number 2. And I'm going to use this to set my concealed areas here. Next, I'm going to go in with my Onesize Turn Up the Base pressed powder, and I'm going to just set the rest of my face with this color, anywhere where I didn't like put concealer. Next, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Dark Tan, and I'm going to just contour on top of this liquid bronzer a little bit. And get the sides of my nose. And then get my forehead as well. And now for blush, I'm going to go in with Laura Lee Los Angeles Blush Aesthetic palette. And I'm going to go in with this color called Strawberry Ice Cream, and I'm just going to use this to gently set that liquid blush And now I'm going to use the same palette, but I'm going to use this highlighter that's in the palette called Golden Haze. And I'm just going to highlight the face a little bit. Now I'm going to do my lip. So in this episode, it looked like she had kind of like a brown lipstick on. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics Cork Liner, of course. And I'm gonna use this to line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Bad and Bare lipstick. I feel like this color matched pretty nicely with the color that she had on in the episode. So I'm going to use this like that. Really, really cute. And now for the rest of the eye, I'm going to go back in with this palette and use these two brown tones underneath here. Now it didn't really look like she had much eyeshadow at the bottom. Maybe not at all, but I'm just going to do it because I just really like having a little bit there at least. So I'm going to try to make this more on the thinner side. I'm not going to smoke it out too much since she didn't have a lot, but I'm just going to put some below here, and I'm using a Sigma E55 eye shading brush. Next, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Animal Crossing Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in the color Balloon Pop. And I'm going to use this underneath as well because she kind of had like this like highlight right here that looked kind of silvery. So I'm going to put this Super Shock Shadow right there. I'm going to be using my Sigma E57 Firm Shader Brush. And I'm just going to apply it right in the front here. Last but not least, I'm going to take this Narvina Chroma Stick in the color Apricot, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. And for lashes, for her lashes, it honestly looked like they just put mascara on her lashes or either very natural falsies. So I'm going to put on some natural falsies. The style, I believe, is called Faux Mink. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how this came out. It's so different than what I usually do. I'm so used to blending everything super high and making colors a little bit more intense. But I feel like this is definitely more of a softer approach for me, and I love this liner. Sometimes I forget how much a wing liner can do to your look, so I'm definitely going to start incorporating it in my looks a little bit more because this is so pretty. And I love these lashes with this look. I feel like my own lashes with mascara just would have like not done exactly what I wanted to do, and I feel like these lashes did exactly what I wanted to do. Not too much, but enough to, you know, make it look like something's going on. Yeah, I really like this look. Like, it's so different than what I normally do. Even this lip is like a little bit darker than I normally go for, and I just feel like the look is just giving. The look is giving a lot. I don't know if you guys noticed that I did try to mimic a lot of what Maddie had on. She definitely had some bigger hoops, so I grabbed some bigger hoops. She also had her hair split in the middle here, kind of like this. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna go for the whole entire look today. But yes, I really like how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!